What's up guys, and hello and welcome back to TLR Creative Studio. And today guys, I am back again with another video where I'll be teaching you guys how to create a year slider just like this one. So the first thing that you need to have like the clear background of what the years will be appearing on. So this is the color that I chose. Then you go straight to add, you go straight to text. Then from here to text you can write 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. I thought it was fast. 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028. I'm going straight to 2020. I'm kidding, that's enough. Then just edit there, you go to your project, you drag like your background, then you put it behind on track number 2. Then boom, this is what you will have. Then just all I have to do, just click on that grid thing that goes straight to that white box, then I drag it until the top. Then from here I just go straight to my filters, I just go downwards, then I go to middle, then I can see straight that thing. Then I come here, I'll go straight to 4x4 kind of a grid. I can still see that's not what I want, 16 by 16. Then that's it. Then I click Control I. So all I have to do right now is just to make sure like whatever I'm doing, this is what I want to see. So all I have to do, just come here, click Control C on this one, go straight to the top, click Control V on that one. There's so many ways guys to deal with this, but this is one of the easiest ways. Then you click here, you go to your opacity, you go straight to your opacity, then you decrease this, then that's it. Then you go there, you go straight to Claximate. A lot of people usually get scared when I'm talking about Claximate. Then I just write here window, because I'll be creating like something like a window, you know. Then Claximate will open. Boom. Okay guys, we are currently on Claximate. So what we'll do on Claximate, go straight to this thing, then we can just select this area. Then we're gonna like just try to fix this to be exactly what we want it to be. You can move it up if you want this to appear. You can double click it, then you can start to adjust it to make it a little bit straight, just like that. Then you just click X, click save. Then you go back to your, turn off your opacity, you wait a little bit, you go straight there, then you just click reload. Then you can see now I cannot see my 2024 because it hides it. So now we need to reverse whatever we did so we can see 2024. Then now we already know like 2024 is what will appear. Then we can hide this, we go straight to our year. Then I want around, let me just try to play this. So can I make it a little bit long, just like that, make it longer just like that. Then I want around this area, so I can make this to see that I can see 2025. I can hide this, I can come here, go straight to 50 so that I can move it like the way I want it to move. Okay, I can start here, then from here I can go straight to here, just write position. Then for my position I go straight to this filter, select that filter, this is what I have. Then I just click here, you see, and then I can move a little bit backwards around here. I want it to go straight, so I can just activate my 2x grid so that I can go straight with the line. Then I can just stop around here when 2028 appears. Then I can go straight to the beginning from the start. Then I can just keep going downwards until until 2020 appears. Then I go straight to the beginning. I zoom this out. I just select whatever I have here by clicking here, then I play it. Then that's the basic of it. I'm currently on 2025. Then I just select this. So now, like, I'm done with it, but it's just that I want to add a little bit of adjustment layers. Not adjustment layers, I just want to add some smooth things, just like that. I also want, when it arrives here, to ease out, just like that one. Let's play again. Perfect. So that's what I want. I really love it like that. So you can also add an arrow from here, like pointing exactly here. To add an arrow, we can go straight to Classmate. We can just go straight to Classmate, then just add to the timeline. Then I'll just write an arrow path. Just click OK. Then Classmate will automatically add an arrow there. Then I want keep playing. I don't know why it didn't send me to Classmate. Then from here on Classmate, just select this area. Then all we have to do is just to come straight from your stroke. You change the color. I want it to be red because I'm already working with red. You go to the style. I change like the amount here. Then I just write 20 because I want it to be thick. Go back to your fill. My fill, I want it to be 0. I don't want any kind of a fill. Then from here, I just right click here, you right click there and there and there. Then that's a basic arrow. Then from this arrow, there are a lot of things that you can actually do with this arrow. You just come here, you click option from there. Then you go straight to your parts. Then you go straight to add. Then you add trim part. Then from your trim part, you just go straight there. You go there. Just go from your trim part. You just come there. You go there. You can start your trim part from here, straight from 0. Just come here. Make sure you are recording. So I want it to start from 0. Then maybe around this area. I want my trim parts to be on 100. Then I can remove this. Then I can start it straight from the beginning. Then from the beginning, I just have to just play this. Perfect. Then I just have to click that. Then you click save. Then you just do that same thing on Classmate and Shotcut. Just play it. Then you can click Control I, you can click Control C, Control V. Then you can just drag this, you put it there. Then drag this, you push it backwards. So actually guys, you can do a lot of customization on this, but I just want to keep it this simple. I don't want to add much things on it. I think that's all for this one. I don't want to complicate it because you'll end up like not forgetting even the first step. So basically this is the easiest way to do like your year thing here on Shotcut, your year slider thing. So thank you so much guys.